Okay guys, just wanted to do a quick video to supplement the ending of my other one. So these you remove from your fender liner when you take off your fender flare. It comes with the little screw like this and one of these little plastic clips that you can put this in. So what I did was buy new ones from Toyota, not from Toyota, just from eBay, and drill a hole in the tabs that I left. I don't know if you guys see the video, you'll see I left these tabs. Put the tab in there, and then I was able to screw it onto the original fender flare there. I was able to use the 3 holes here, and I only had 1 tab left on this side, so I went ahead and added 1 more here. And all these additional tabs that I have here, those are going to be good for when I add a fender liner in here. So yeah. Also, there's a big hole in my truck.